guys, today I'll be showing you guys what to do once you receive your unit. You know that look you have when you pull your unit out of the package is not always very pleasant, so you want it to be straight and lightweight. And also this will also serve for when you want to wash your wigs, you want it smelling fresh. Just basically get rid of that sweaty smell. You need hot water. You guys can see this water is hot, but it's not super hot, so I can still run my fingers through it. It's also advisable to do this in an upright position with a mannequin. Yeah, and I would advise to make sure that your water is not too hot. If it's too hot, you're not going to like the look, and it can actually damage your wig, especially with these needle twists. So this video is quite straight to the point. I'm just drenching this wig in hot water and making sure that the roots get all the love. Right now I'm just drying it, and once I'm done, I'm going to apply some hair mousse and hair oil. I didn't show myself applying that hair oil in this video. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use a straightener and just pick randomly and straighten it, just to kind of get it a bit flat. Now I want to say something. You must make sure that the straightener is on the lowest setting one. Secondly, you must do this on damp hair. And thirdly, if your twists are anything bigger than this, I don't advise you using the straightener. So this is the finished look. Yeah, this is a 360. Some people still don't know what 360 is. This is what it looks like, because people keep asking me. I wish I had a full list to do a comparison, but yeah, this is what it looks like. And the finishing of this hair, I mean inside the wig, is not it's not so great. But then this is my own personal wig, so I didn't do too much to it. If I'm to make a wig for a client, for a customer, of course I'm going to look at details. Yes, so this is what the back looks like. You can decide to glue it down if you want. Now these wigs are easy to wear. You could just use your spray just for extra hold, which is what I'm doing. I'm using the viewfinder of my camera, which is not very convenient, so I'm just going to use a proper mirror. And yeah, that's what I did, and this is just me wearing my wig. So that's basically the video. I'm going to lay my baby hairs, and that's it. I'll be showing you guys what it looks like finally. This is what it looks like. This unit is actually the full density. Most times when clients ask for wigs, I always ask them, do you want them full, light, or medium? This is the full density. Yeah, this is me trying to do a different kind of styling, but I don't know if I did a great job. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, peace.